All right, you guys, welcome to this month's Tool of the Week. We're actually going to be going down to doing Tool of the Week once a month. That way you have time to actually implement the tools and you're not like, oh gosh, she's doing another Tool of the Week. So the tool for December is going, well, I know I did Notebook LM, but that was just a short thing. But the tool for December is going to be the mini product creator. Okay, so I've been having a good time using a mini product creator. It's been extremely helpful for me because it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It helps you create your products. You can turn your ideas into sellable digital products extremely fast. If you've ever had content like me sitting around, half finished ideas, or you know you should have a product but you don't feel like starting from scratch or just at the beginning, this tool handles that part for you. So let's get started. Once you have it open, you're just going to hit start a mini product. That's the way I started it. Okay, so it says, I'm Action Jackson, your mini product co-pilot. Love that you said start a mini product. Let's get this thing moving right now. From my internal menu of formats like checklists, cheat sheets, prompt packs, ebooks, 5-day email courses, planners, worksheets, and more, we're going to pick the perfect one for your people. Okay. Let's scroll down. First, here are 2 killer formats that work in almost any niche. Checklist mini product, fast to create, super high value, do this, then this style. Perfect as a $7 to $17 tripwire or free lead magnet. Or number 2, Chat GPT prompt pack mini product, a set of copy paste prompts that help your audience get results faster. Great for creators, coaches, service providers, and content people. Easy to upsell into a course, template pack, or workshop. These both sounding really good. So it then goes into ask you 3 questions so that it can help custom code the product for you and for your people, right? So number 1, your niche or audience. Let's see. I'm gonna say for 1, digital creators. Using AI to build simple, sellable assets and systems. Okay. Number 2, the main result you want them to get. Okay, the main result you want them to get. Example, book more calls, lose 10 pounds, launch their first offer, grow their email list. I'm going to go with launch their first offer. First offer. Okay. All right. Which format do you want to start with? Well, I did a prompt back before, so I'm interested in doing a checklist. So let's do a checklist. Oh, well, look, or say something else, and I will open the 1 to 20 volt for you. Ooh. Let's say something else. I love a challenge. Okay, so you send that through. Okay, so look, even Action Jackson thinks it's a fun one. So it says, "Oh, this is a fun one. and it just recaps what I said. It says, I got you. I'm Action Jackson, by the way, your mini product co-pilot. All right. So for your audience, you want something that feels fast and doable, shows them how to actually use AI, not just talk about it, can be sold as a low-ticket first offer and lead into bigger systems, coaching, or templates. Since you asked for something else, I'm opening the full vault for you now. Okay, so let's see. You know what? I'm really feeling I'm really feeling the 5-day email sequence. I think that'll be good. Well, you know what? We're going to keep it simple for the tutorial because I'm definitely going to dive into that. Let's do swipe files. I think swipe files are good, and I actually need some anyway. So let's see. But I definitely am going to check out that 5-day email course because that's something I've been wanting to do. And if you can do it fast with Action Jackson, then you should definitely be doing that. Okay, so you pick 9 swipe files. So swipe files for digital creators using AI to build simple sellable assets and systems. Help them launch their first offer. Okay, so we can pick like our main product name. So let's see, we have AI offer launch swipe vault, first AI offer swipe pack, AI creator launch swipes, simple sellable swipes AI edition, 0 to first offer. Ooh, I like this. Okay, and then we can pick a tagline, copy, paste, tweak, launch your first AI powered offer fast. Okay, done for you launch copy for creators who build AI. I kind of like that. The swipe vault that takes your first offer from idea to income. I like the middle one. So I'm just going to grab that. Ooh, it didn't copy. Hold up now. Just do it twice just in case. Okay. All right. And then here's the quick product description. Structure of your swipe pack. You can organize it like this inside a Google Doc. All right. And then there's the placeholders, your niche, your offer, main result, time frame, price. You put a how to use these swipes with AI, offer validation. These help your buyers test demand before they build the full offer. Okay. DM invite. Pre-launch teaser swipes. So it gave you the whole thing. Here's a look, the last chance swipes, the urgency swipes. Okay. It gives you pricing, format, and delivery suggestions. Okay, and then it's asking me, it says, would you like to create a companion document to help you generate promotional graphics in ChatGPT's image creator for this product? So, we would say yes, go ahead and get your promotional things. But before I go, I want to talk about some of the other cool features of the mini product creator. I'm trying to think, should I start a new chat for it? Okay, so I'm gonna just try it in this one, Tripwire. See, look, it's like some trigger words that you can put in here and really get like a full ecosystem. So Action Jackson is like, we're going to turn these swipe files into cash grabbing tripwire funnel, right? So it's going over the overview. order bump, upsell. So it did the whole thing. It came up with the whole thing. So there it's giving you the whole thing. So one thing that I feel like a lot of us are doing is trying to sell things as PLR. So you can just ask Action Jackson, can I sell this? And it's thinking. Yes, you absolutely can. Can you legally? Short answer, yes. You can sell it as PLR, MRR, and white label. And then there's the product positioning for PLR. Add a PLR license. And it comes up with the license for you. Look, you don't have to do anything. You just ask it. You don't have to come up with anything. There's the sales page elements. It's really, really cool. Okay, now I'm going to show you one last thing because I don't want the video to be too long, but this is really cool. So you just ask it, how do I build a full suite? I may not be asking correctly, but hopefully. It says, love this question. This is where it stops being a product and turns into a real ecosystem that prints offers. I am Action Jackson, and here is how you build a full suite around what we already created. The AI offer, launch, swipe, vault, tripwire, and PLR. Okay, so it's going to tell you, think in a simple ladder, not random offers, which we should all be thinking that way. Your suite equals the path your ideal creator walks. 1, I am curious. 2, I want my offer live. 3, I want consistent sales. 4, I want systems and leverage. So we build offers that match each step. So your full suite, level 1, free entry lead generation, the AI first offer kickstart checklist. So it went back to that checklist that we were gonna pick, but they're saying make that free. And then for $7, you would make the launch swipe vault, which was our swipe files. Then our core starter offer is the builder toolkit, $47 to $97. This is the logical next step from the swipe files, right? So you start with the checklist, then you're like, oh, I need the swipe files. They're $7. This will definitely help me. Then you could do an order bump for $5 of the prompt booster pack. Then your builder toolkit is $47.97. That's the next step. Then level 4 is systems and revenue growth. So product D is the evergreen funnel starter pack. Comes with email sequence templates, evergreen sales page outline, AI prompts to create evergreen content, simple, minimal, viable funnel framework. Then product E, 97 to 297, AI content engine for creators. And then group program or cohort is for the lab. It could be, $497 to almost $2,000. So if you tell Action Jackson, then PLR, I'm gonna run through this. You build the suite, right? But you would build it in order. But what I'm trying to tell you is you can take your idea, put it in Action Jackson, and maybe you only know about a lead magnet. You have an idea for a great lead magnet, but you're like, hey, I don't want to just put a lead magnet out there. I want people to go up the ladder. Say you can't think of nothing. Action Jackson does it for you. So y'all, this is tool of the week, the month. Tool of the month for December. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to leave the link so you guys can grab the tool. It's a great tool. Great tool. It has helped me, put my offers in there and kind of bridge from just having an offer that's random and I just collect emails or something to actually making it make sense for the next step. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.